Hello, third grade. I wanted to give you some instructions on how we are going to do our animal research project. The process includes researching your animal, which we will do in Epic Books, and I will show you how we get there. I want you to complete the note sheet that will be given to you it's this note sheet that will be given to you in Schoology. And then you will select your image on your slideshow, and you will create your slideshow, and I wanted to show you how we do that. So to get started, you need to have selected your videos. Then I need you to go to Epic Books. We want to go to getepic.com. And mine's going to look a little bit different. I want you to click on my profile once you get in. But you are going to need to go to Get Epic. There's a sign-in button up there that you will need to select. And then when you get to a class code, you will need to go put in the class code that I have up on the board for you. If you're at Hasson, it's MCG/6976. And if you are at Meadowvale, we will use RRI 6793. So make sure you go into the right Epic class and select My Profile. And then you want to search for your animal. My animal is the Bengal tiger. So I'll type that in. And this is the book I use. We can look at collections, Lions and Bengal Tiger books. And I want to select a book that will give me the most specific information I find. So mine is the Bengal Tiger. Many times you are going to ask me on your sheet how to fill this out. So your name, and if you have a partner, you'll fill that in. Type of animal, for me, I put Bengal Tiger. Source one will be Epic Books, and you need to put in the title of your book, which for me, mine is The Bengal Tiger, and many times they have the author right there, and I want you to write that as well. So you will do the research on your project and fill out information about your animal on their diet. What does the animal eat and drink? You need 2 facts. Their habitat, where do they live? 2 facts. Physical description, what does your animal look like? You'll need 2 facts. And then something unique about your animal, you'll want 2 facts there. You're going to ask me, what is source 2? Source 2 is the image that we are going to use, and I want to show you that process of how we will get that information. If you have something fun you want to write for your conclusion, feel free to write that, but you don't need to do that for this assignment. So you will, we've selected our animal, you'll research it on Epic, you'll complete the note sheet. Then in Schoology, I have given you a folder with animal research project information. You need to open up that folder. Here is the notes. Here's a link to Epic. Here's an example project of what I did and my animal, the Bengal Tiger. And what I want to do next is show you how I made that. So I have given you a link to Animal Research Project in Google Slides. You'll need to open it to full screen. And, okay, so once you open up the slideshow, if you are working with a partner, you need to share this. The oldest student needs to share it with the youngest student. And the way you do that is you will click on it, type in your partner's name right here, allow them to edit, and push done. And then that'll send it over to them. And then the youngest partner needs to go into their Google Drive and open it up into the Shared with Me, and it will be there. So you guys both have access to working on it together. So once you are in here, you guys have control and power to change things. So you will say, what animal am I? By, and then you'll put your names. What I want to show you today is how we are going to get your animal picture. Down here we have an explore button, and I want to type in Bengal, it's really slow, Bengal tiger, and then the important part is Creative Commons image. We want to make sure you select a Creative Commons image. And the reason we're doing that is those, and then once you type that in, you'll click on images. And these images are ones that I can use that are free to use and share. So let's say I like this one. I want to insert the image. And it should come. This is very important, this link down here. What I want to do is click with 2 fingers to copy the link. Copy, oops, actually 2 fingers, copy link address. And I want to bring it to my bibliography and paste it, Command V, or Control V, I think, on the Chromebooks. And this is my link to my Bengal tiger image. That will also go on my notes of where my second source, where is that? That would be my second source. So I could copy and paste it in there as well. But I'm going to keep moving on. Where is my Bengal tiger? Oh, here we are. Okay, so I've got my Bengal tiger. It is really big. I want to bring it down to size so it would hide behind my other images. So I'm going to resize it so it would hide behind and you couldn't see it when I do the first facts. Then, once I get it down to size, I want to copy this image, 2 fingers. I'm going to copy, and I want to 2 fingers paste on my other slides. Some people are printing, so, and then I'm going to just keep pasting it. So I have my image, I have the source where I got it, and now the trick is to move it in back. So I want to click on the image. I believe it's Arrange, or 2 fingers, Order, Send to Back. And it goes back. So I want to click on the next one, Send, Order, Send to Back. Otherwise, I could do it up here. I could click on it, go to Arrange, Order, Send it back. So whichever process you would like. Then what I want you to do is to fill in the color boxes. To do that, you will click on the box, go to Theme, color box, go to, where is, okay, next what I want you to do is to click on Slide Theme. And over on the side, you have a choice of what theme you would like to use. You may use any of these. I'm going to click on the orange option. So when I am working and filling in my colors, I want to click on the box and I click on the fill color, and these are the choices that I have to work with. So I don't want you changing theme colors and all that. You work with what they gave you. So I'm going to use that theme. Then I'm going to go here, select on the next one. I will choose blue. I will go to the next one, choose the teal. go to the next one, choose this blue, go to the next option, choose this orange, go to the next one, and you can choose any of these colors. It's up to you. Have I used that one? Yep. Oops, I've used that one already. I need to go in order. That's easier. Actually, I want to change these two around. I wouldn't recommend moving the boxes because they're hard to get in certain spots. So I've got my boxes moved or filled in the colors. Then when you go to this box or the next slideshow, I want you to use the same color patterns. So if you use these colors here, I want you on the next slide to do the same colors that you used in the first one. Oops, I forgot to go down here. So you will go through all of your slides and continue to fill those in and move your image back. Next, you need to make sure that you put in the facts. You will erase fact number 1 and you want to select the hardest facts. This animal, actually I'm not going to put this animal, lives in India and Bangladesh. That's kind of a hard clue. Another one would be eats 40 pounds of meat. I don't want that capitalized. Meat a day. I'm going to go back of, and oops, I spelled meat wrong. So I can click with 2 fingers and fix it. So I want to put my facts in hardest to easiest as you go through. So that is the process of creating your presentation, and then when you are finished, you will go back to Schoology and submit and turn in, as well as your partner will too. So I hope you found this helpful, and I look forward to seeing your animal research projects.